Come whisper to Kevin. He's silently licking his scrotum. Do not disturb bed. He's the catalyst.
You are the reason why it's so thin.
That is the only light in this whole room. It's like pitch black in this room. Ben, say some words to the camera. Ben, stop looking for a second. Tap off your scrotum and say some words.
Oh,
Bad.